everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this episode I will be showing you how to change profile picture on Facebook. So for that, first of all, tap upon the Facebook application and then get logged in into your account. Once you have been logged in into your account, you need to tap on the profile icon of yours on the top left. Tap that. Once you're at the profile page, you need to tap on the camera icon on your profile, that is the circle. Tap that. From there you need to choose select profile picture. Tap on select profile picture. Now from here you will be able to choose or update a new profile picture for your Facebook. You just select the Facebook profile picture that you want to upload. Once you have selected the picture that you want to be updated as your profile picture, you need to make these changes to be saved. For that, tap on save on the top right, updating your profile photo, and with this you will be able to change profile picture on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.